Tune it in. Turn it up.
Sankofa
FM. A world exclusive.
Tune it in. Turn it up.
www.sankofafm.com
And rip off the knob.
Yo, me that's it. Na yanchia wati funya. Yo, oka obusa bibi afa budget ya present you and minority and so view on 2017.
Yeah.
And going forward, you know. But it's almost say Ghana beat me a Hepic beam. See, I'm here, Ghana be Hepic. Hepic no crowd ya call 2015 and even 2016 and you Hepic. My criteria ya the call Hepic. Nafi 2016 development ya never. Made there. Or mine or said going forward, you know. So, and I see the city, and there were problems, and I must admit that fact. Or mine were problems. The structure of our economy, and yet over the years, you build the strong economic fundamentals. You build the economic fundamentals here. Into any other competitors, be neighboring countries. Especially francophone countries, no. You know, the Taria near why. Yeah, reckless. There was several areas. You grow for Nina, then you anti armor. Opportunities in ya squander. To say ball over now, over the bassa, and not yaso. Into us, we sit down. I feel now. Ghana person correct economic fundamentals. No start the journey again. This will be a catch the war. Economy no ain't taking off. And taking off. You ain't gaining the momentum that will give us the job creation over the years. Maybe I may support to this argument. Clearly. In 2016, so we had development and debt to GDP of 72.9%. But it said 72.5. The revised figures, put on 72.9. Economic growth, Namaphobia pecan 3.5. The revised figure put it at 3.7% in 2016. Growth no sanity akwani mukakra 3.7%. Now the situation we say no. Now already Ghana cross epic line. Intina a call IMF. A call sign under sa you know. The call sign under IMF conditionalities here. You call sign those agreements, you know, near per se, you correct the weaknesses in our system. In the course of doing that, in the course of doing that, in this economic situation, said the city, once you don't have the fundamentals right, program will be run out. So basic problem, Ghana war, and they say you better build the solid economic fundamentals. And over the years, the same problem that be ya ni akɔhye IMF ase ya ni akɔhye IMF ase ya ni akɔhye IMF ase. Clearly as leaders yentimi nyinai on our feet say ye there for even 12 years continuous yebetume gira ye nas ya yen konkɔhye IMF ase ekura bi mu ni ahyehye enema. It is always situation we here na minority can be before economy no any said the city. Mamma debt to GDP standing at 72.9%. Growth rate here 3.7. In fact, in fear bear say dunum air code bear dunum air trouble growth and drop my said. Growth drew 14.5% in 2011 during the time of JE Mills. As we speak today, by 2016, now drew 3.7. Near lose 72% of growth momentum. And a large chunk of people in between this, so we lose 72% of growth momentum. It can every school live a beer or over 80% in your domain. We lost the growth momentum. Natural and Kadiakran air frono. You drew 14.5 meters. Kiatia about 3.7 meters. Now ask yourself, where would the jobs come from? The demand be free here now. They are affecting all businesses, every aspect of the sector. And no, and the war, and uti and your call IMF, efakasi and no sign on extended credit facility. Uko IMF and the ECF. It's also a problem. All countries who signed under ECF had very serious macroeconomic imbalances. And Ghana fell into that category. Na Ghana cried, ye be cry, ye three, ye free muntem. Greece in Munich suffered that fate. Including Ukraine, Jamaica. Munich suffered under that category. But Ghana, they are near war resources. Kakrano. And a large informal sector ninti ye free mu etimi free muntem because you crowd the order and baby ultimate bo free bidi ama utimi ye free utimi ko yin krante utimi ye free fidi etimi wo twen be boawo now na mo akwadu no nyina utimi twitwa etetu enkrofo aka akra utimi wunya bidi ana ye social setup no e support ana me ba ye me bowura ho sesi anam se come de me a ubeto aduane amemedi mini aso atiase enti ya ni en sofa say other countries no enti ya dey recover very quickly ya yire ye ho a enti na Ghana where we are ya yire ye ho ye be ye as a country ya yire ye ho ye be ye ya recklessness ya check system ni ye ade say ya ye nyina be di akire na say ko ye put stop to it. No beboa ukra mo check system na no okodi akire. And the answer whether indeed improvement yaba since yaba we take it over. And these are figures are taken from the central bank, they taken from the IMF, World Bank, trading economists, Mundi, Bloomberg, Obi Opes will be able to be a cohonum, co-minister of finance, a being so ewo, and this are comparison in now be a ubetimi akohwena etimabo. Treasury bill na ye 16.4% 2016. In fact, now was so the compare neighboring countries na. And now make us say about 13.3%. All things being equal, improvement yaba. Then you take policy rate 25.5%. And now make us say 21%. A follow in banking terms 450 basis. Actually, will say a swati kakra. Even though the commercial rate of interest, intimate from they were a private sector, everything are taking full advantage. And also one peculiar problem which we shall discuss. Afe Osha BB at inflation 15.4. Inflation so you there how mine in neighboring countries Africa so to be secure 1%, 2%, even 3.5% to Kuranu Bisro. Yeah, the end 15.4 2016 December and 11.6%. In the anya Kurano, even though it is still very high, me as professional, no, what they compare other countries, you know, but baby, I am no say, you show positive signal, say, you bet me enter single digit. See, you bet me enter single digit. Then another one is the reserves. Reserves, foreign currency reserves. Now, with your foreign currency reserves, 2016, now foreign currency reserve, Okohe Central Bank, 4.9 billion US dollars. 4.9 billion US dollars. That will give you 2.8 months of import cover. 4.9 billion. By July, now this figure drew 7 billion US dollars. That will also give you 3.5 months of import cover. Actually, I will say, oh, build the reserve, say, it gives the signal, say, in future, be our currency stability. You will be able to stabilize your currency. And you build the reserve. That is one thing you must take it upon yourself. Then the balance of trade. The balance of payment. I had the critical element. Ghana, the higher, and say, Yema, your cotton, a brutality, the Ekofaban. For years, your coffee near Manuba more in value. As the your cotton in dollar terms. Into intimate build the reserves ye. Into Brebiano, your reserves, no, what is normally is subjected under what is called volatility. Ekona perform, ekona ba, and then I say, and then I ba. I just say, Tom Lebru ko pull be. Yes, you perceive saw up the city. Ni a copper cacrani, a cotria begumze contribute. Can auto tendency do nina, no akofia biaba, ni a said do no akofaba, ni a said do ni akofaba, o sank of 4 for a contribute. It means I had the bar, it means support, ya the bar, it means support. And all build the reserves, no. Naminia. Who protect our currency, who build the reserve now currency. By the first half of this year, now Ghana trade balance situation, HSA, Ghana created surplus of 1.4 billion US dollars. Near me cotton abruchile. Abroad the cover baso 1.4 billion. And that is positive news. Nebinsi. And also so I there eboa. Afi yansan ko stock market. So ko stock market here. A register negative for asamato. Your friend BB GSC composite index. And on the testy businesses a trading our stock market. So almost a pageant mu kosra. Na Ghana for show interest. Our shares him. So Ghana for to shares more. The bachelor won't say now businesses are getting interest-free capital for investment. One more a tibet from pair asamato. A child will say people are rather selling their shares and then moving into the purchase of treasury bill, which is bedding and breakfasting. By the close of the year, not total market capitalization. A trade or stock market who sika okabomwa na 52.9 billion Ghana cedis. Omunyine sika. 2016 December. September 2017, this figure has gotten to 59.1 billion. Everyone say a increase. I improve by 12.5%. Actually, I will say now people are moving. Tina treasure bill na tebano. And Kofu yisika ho edwane edi move into shares. In the Ghana ni bia busan so beto treasure bill at 13.2%, 13.3% here. No win. Treasure bill no so na ban ni use edi mobilize sika edi free system num ema bank no kura nsenka bia eno do odi tuatua wages and salaries. Any other short-term commitments are crystallized. It is a true hosa. Now what's up? Buy no team move away. So when you see treasury bill coming down like this, it tells that the government is no longer thinking of short-term borrowing as immediate intervention and all free market for private sector say even though there in medical said there are other things be anti-nama interest rate commercial no which we shall discuss enunti anama uhunisa no afi say ukọ na ukọ hwehwe enema bibiebo yenhwe how fix Standard & Poor Moody one rating Ghana whether indeed they are rating Ghana negatively or positively. It is a usher rating no say na net fixed rating be negative by 2016 December. Uko kwa ubi na uko kriki sisi ya wenitia mi ya betima ko kriki afi se ukwa by May now fix I'm a be stable even though I'm a warning kakrafa revenue mobilization for which I understand say a deep problem in Ghana revenue mobilization so the minority is right for talking about revenue mobilization a very very strong problem if it's a reality and yaba when kuna abetu if free abide revenue mobilization will be a carpenter ni ultimate board down so 100 million on your tax or no soon pay free education health insurance no obi etimi amazing or no so kura be 100 ultimate come sit die be 50 million on your tax and so no on system no so pay free education and the amaneba or no so na pay good road on na kwa compredi aburuchire bofo krampo etimi before create your tax. Standard & Poor rate Ghana stable with positive outlook as at last month. And so no almost say a negative. Ave figures bia na am simple so tuga na Ghana near Drew Hepeke Kakrano. Ebi actually kwa ba mu ana foreign direct investment and the akeka ho no me the account watcho. Ave statement with this statement is coming from Dr. Kobred for 16th November 2011 or present 2012 budget, paragraph 129, page 38. That is where I'm quoting from. Sebra Obana and the speaker, or say Madam Speaker. The updated debt sustainability analysis DSA, November 2011, showed that public debt stood at 33.6% of gross domestic product in 2008. 33.6% of GDP in 2008. This is expected to rise to 37.8% of GDP in 2015. Look at how he described Ghana's situation. The debt dynamics and trajectories of debt ratio assessed under debt sustainability analysis show that the solvency and liquidity conditions which demonstrate liability to service debt are favorable over the medium to long term. Samena Ghana say. And this statement is coming from Dr. Dufo. Mama did anyway. Now you have happy characteristics.
Now all the one is for mama.
Aye. Happy characteristics in here. Now they are justified say whether indeed saying that debt to GDP not exceeding 60%. Even the worst scenario is 70%. That is the dreaded zone. Debt to export revenue. Debt to export revenue should not. It should be 150%. That is the peak. Or debt to export revenue. Debt in the numerator. Then your export revenue is the denominator. Multiply by 100. In the quasi bro 150%. Then again, debt to total government revenue. The debt is the numerator. Total government revenue is the denominator. Multiply by 100 should not exceed 250%. Now let's look at the figures for 2016. Debt to GDP 72.9%. Even the minority use 72.5%. Haven't we exceeded the 60%? We have. Then debt to export revenue was 261%. And remember, export revenue was 11 billion in 2016. The exchange rate was 4.2 by 31st December 2016. We are ubenya export revenue. Export revenue no ubenya 47 billion. Enti Ghana eka 122.9 billion over 47 billion, which is export revenue, multiplied by 100 will give you 261%. Yeah, SCD 150. No, I think you come to the last one, and also total revenue to that of export. Ghana total revenue was 31 billion Ghana cedis in 2016, and near debt is also 122.9 billion. Into yenhwe na yenhwe debt to Ghana total revenue, debt 122.9 billion over Ghana total revenue 31 billion multiplied by 100 will give you 387%. Haven't we exceeded the 250%? So we got to HEPIC as far back as 2015. So we say HEPIC and ANIEPA 2015 and so we are already in HEPIC.